Greetings from Camp Killamore.
I'm not gonna be able to hide my scar. What? You my fan? Really? No. You two got it. Really? Come on. Just show how happy you are. They get rid of the smile. I'm scared. This will we register for the game? I think so.
Welcome, campers. We're so glad you're here.
Why are there no animals like that? Hi, buddy.
What's up, man?
Did I get a high five? Well, aren't you having fun on this swing?
Oh shit, thing's on fire.
Get there! I like the projector.
Huh? Yeah. I can't read this shirt. I couldn't read it. Whoa. That's weird. Oop, Camp Counselor was killed. The lake is closed.
You're not safe!
Come on!
What's up? Get out of here! No, I'm fine. They'll kill all of you! I'm fine.
Sounds like bull!
What? He has a megaphone.
I don't want to go back to that.
I need to have you. Why does the counselor have the chainsaw?
Hear my warning. Get out while you can.
Let's go.